up?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Huh?
Are you okay?
What do you mean?
It's fucking cold.
Oh, bro, this isn't even cold. All right, little exploration right before sundown. I don't know where I'm going. There's a pretty strong onshore wind, so here we go. Eerie, bruh. Woo! Here we go. Wow. It's a minefield out here. There it is, just like they say. That iceberg is way bigger underwater than above water. We got Titanic vibes out here. God rest their souls. All right, we're about to do a camera setup on this iceberg up here. If it looks like the right one, that means we're gonna be out here for a while. Wow. What? All right. Hello, Mr. Iceberg. So I tried to do this years ago. Never worked out. The iceberg was too little and it like tipped over. I'm going to set up my phone on a tripod and try to get a time lapse, but I got to save my GoPro battery, so I will cut it back on in just a second. Okay, so it totally worked. I am risking my iPhone, but right now it's set up on that iceberg behind me, and I'm shooting a video of the lighthouse. Currently running into mini icebergs. Like that guy. Gotta watch that wall of ice. So if you can't see, there's a hard wall of ice blowing in behind me. It's out there, and I have been watching it on the webcam all day. It was way out in open water. So definitely something not to turn your back on for too long. It looks like you could probably get through it, but it does look like it's pretty locked up. And I gotta retrieve that camera. Check out this. This is nature's art. total sketch. All right, here's the actual representation of why they say shelf ice is so dangerous. If you were walking along here at all these beautiful points and you're standing on the top, if you can't tell, it is totally sitting on the water. I mean, that ice is unstable to say the least. What kind of fish is that? I don't want to find, oh, it's a bird. It's quite majestic. Beautiful evening paddle, totally worth it. A guy had asked me on the pier if I needed to be checked out. He was worried for my mental fortitude coming out of these waters, and I had to legitimately tell him, bro, this isn't even cold. This is kind of cold. Hold on. Look at that. Bruh. Shelf ice, right? Check this out. Shelf ice is dangerous. Oh, sorry, Mr. Duck. Mermaid ice! What's that? I got just enough time to go check out that ice wall, which is being blown to shore, but it's kind of coving out around the harbor. Yeah, gonna check that out. How deep am I? I'm in at least 6 foot of water right here. So, I mean, if you fell in, you're not touching the bottom out here on the edge. All right, I just knee paddled all the way out here. A little gassed. But I wanted to paddle to this ice wall. This has been getting blown into shore all day. So eventually, I'd say in the next hour or so, it's going to touch the shore. You can actually see, whew, down there it's almost touching the shore. I want to go check it out, and my battery is super low. Check this out, it's so cool. You got rough seas, I mean kind of rough seas behind this little ice barrier. And then on the inside here, we've got a little break in the wind. But look at that. This thing is absolutely moving. Wow. So we're gonna have some small waves in the morning and it will build through the night. This is the beginning of it right here. Definitely eerie being out here by yourself. Nothing to take lightly. Nothing to take lightly at all. I would say I'm in about 30 foot of water. This is one of the things I love about the lake. I mean, literally, I'm just pondering nothingness. You know, it totally is like the Truman Show, because it's not the ocean, it's just this inland little enclosed ecosystem. And when the fog comes up like this, there's something about it, you know? There's sunken ships literally underneath me. Quite a few. A lot of them are salvage wreckage, but they still drug them out here and let her go. If I could ever say one thing to end a video, it would just be this, you know, life is short. Live it hard, man. Don't wait till you can regret it. Do it now. Do it now. And I mean that, dude. Or whatever, whoever you are. I mean it. Do it. Well, I made it back. Looks like the shot might be sick. I said what I said and I meant it. I'll see you next time.